This year has been packed with some seriously cool tech that you can actually get your hands on. Whether you're a fitness freak, a smart home enthusiast, or just someone who loves shiny new toys, there's something here for everyone. Let's dive into the top 10 gadgets that will make you the coolest person in the room, or at least make your friends jealous. Number 10. Google Pixel Fold, a smartphone and tablet hybrid. The Google Pixel Fold is here to blur the lines between smartphones and tablets. This foldable phone boasts a stunning organic light-emitting diode display and top-notch performance, all while fitting comfortably in your pocket. But it's not just about looking cool. This device is packed with Google's latest software innovations, making it a productivity powerhouse. From multitasking to media consumption, the Pixel Fold offers a seamless experience that adapts to your needs. Whether you're working on the go or unwinding with your favorite show, the Pixel Fold is the ultimate tech companion for 2024. It's a glimpse into the future, right in your hand. Number 9. Cambridge Audio Melomania M100, budget-friendly audiophile delight. Cambridge Audio is known for delivering high-quality sound, and the Melomania M100 earbuds are no exception. With rich, detailed audio and impressive noise cancellation, these buds punch well above their price tag. Their ergonomic design ensures a snug fit, while the long battery life keeps your tunes going all day long. The Melomania M100 also features an impressive wireless range, allowing you to stay connected even when you're not glued to your device. These are the perfect companions for anyone who craves premium audio without the premium price tag. Number 8. Oura Ring 4, the fitness tracker in disguise. Looking for a fitness tracker that doesn't scream fitness tracker? The Oura Ring 4 is here to help. This sleek little ring monitors everything from your heart rate to your sleep quality, all while looking like a stylish accessory. Unlike bulky wristbands, the Oura Ring is lightweight and comfortable, making it easy to forget you're even wearing it. On top of that, it's waterproof, so you can wear it while swimming or during intense workouts. Whether you're tracking workouts or just trying to get a better night's sleep, the Oura Ring is the perfect blend of form and function. Number 7. Apple Vision Pro, a glimpse into the future of AR. Apple's Vision Pro headset is the gadget we've all been waiting for. Merging augmented reality with cutting-edge design, this headset promises to redefine how we interact with the world around us. It's not just about gaming or virtual meetings anymore. This headset brings AR into your everyday life. Imagine cooking while following step-by-step holographic instructions or attending concerts from your living room in 3D. The Vision Pro also features eye tracking and hand gesture controls, making it feel like something out of a sci-fi movie. And with Apple's reputation for design, it's as comfortable as it is futuristic. Number 6. HP Omen Transcend 14, the ultimate portable gaming beast. Gamers, rejoice! The HP Omen Transcend 14 is the perfect blend of power and portability. With a lightweight design and top-of-the-line specs, this gaming laptop lets you dominate your favorite games without sacrificing mobility. The display boasts a high refresh rate, ensuring that your games run buttery smooth even during intense action. And thanks to its advanced cooling system, you won't have to worry about overheating during those long gaming sessions. Whether you're battling through the latest FPS or exploring vast RPG worlds, the Omen Transcend 14 delivers performance and style in one sleek package. It's the ultimate weapon for gamers on the go. Number 5. LG CineBeam Q. Bring the cinema home. Why go to the movies when you can bring the movies to you? The LG CineBeam Q offers a stunningly bright picture with accurate color, making your home the ultimate theater. Plus, it's packed with smart TV capabilities, so all your favorite streaming apps are just a click away. Its compact design makes it easy to set up anywhere, turning any room into an entertainment hub. The projector's advanced features include HDR10 support and Filmmaker mode, ensuring that you experience your favorite films the way the directors intended. For cinephiles, this is the ultimate movie night upgrade. Number 4. Nothing Ear. The earbuds that talk to ChatGPT. These might look like just another pair of wireless earbuds, but the Nothing Ear is shaking up the market. With a sleek, transparent design, solid noise cancellation, and a world-first integration with ChatGPT, these budget-friendly earbuds are a tech geek's dream come true. The innovative pinch-to-speak feature allows you to interact with ChatGPT directly from the earbuds, making them perfect for on-the-go queries and commands. On top of that, their ergonomic design ensures a comfortable fit for long listening sessions. These earbuds are not just smart, they're super smart. Number 3. Samsung H.W.Q990D Soundbar, the sound system of the future. Get ready to level up your home theater experience with the Samsung H.W.Q990D. This soundbar doesn't just bring Dolby Atmos to your living room, it takes it to a whole new level. With 22 speakers and a 11.1.4 channel setup, it makes your movie nights feel like a trip to the cinema. But it's not just for movie buffs. Gamers will love the 120Hz compatible high-definition multimedia interface 2.1 port that optimizes the sound for PS5 and Xbox Series X. From immersive bass to crystal clear treble, this soundbar offers an unparalleled audio experience that will leave you hearing details you never noticed before. It's the sound system you never knew you needed. Number 2. OnePlus Watch 2, the smartwatch with superpowers. Forget charging your smartwatch every night. The OnePlus Watch 2 breaks new ground with its incredible 100-hour battery life in smartwatch mode. It cleverly switches between a low-power mode and full functionality, making it one of the most efficient smartwatches on the market. Not only does it last for days, but it also tracks everything from your heart rate to your daily steps with precision. Plus, it comes with advanced sleep tracking features, ensuring that you get the rest you deserve. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just someone who forgets to charge their gadgets, this watch has got you covered. And with a sleek design, you'll be wearing it everywhere. Number 1. Apple iPad Pro 2024, the tablet powerhouse. At the top of our list is the Apple iPad Pro 2024, and for good reason. If you thought the iPad Pro couldn't get any better, think again. The 2024 edition is thinner, faster, and somehow more magical. Featuring Apple's latest M4 chip, this tablet handles everything from high-end gaming to professional graphic design with ease. The organic light-emitting diode display provides stunning clarity, making everything from Netflix binges to intricate design work a visual delight. Plus, with Apple's new iPadOS, multitasking has never been easier, allowing you to work on multiple projects simultaneously without breaking a sweat. Whether you're editing a 4K video, designing in 3D, or just sketching ideas, the iPad Pro 2024 will make you feel like a tech wizard. It's the ultimate blend of power, elegance, and innovation. Well, that's it for our countdown of the 10 coolest gadgets you can actually buy in 2024. If your wallet isn't crying yet, I suggest you go ahead and treat yourself to some of these tech wonders. And if your bank account needs a breather, don't worry, window shopping counts as a hobby too, right? Before you dash off to grab that shiny new gadget, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.